All of you install the PERL?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many of you? 12 means 11. Subhash. Subhash, can you take the attendance?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall you write? Are you writing? Or huh. Can you able? Okay. Let me write. See what I am doing. Oh, not here. Okay. So we take one scalar. Okay. You know, so I'm taking this one. We always give semicolon, otherwise it will not work. Now you create one array. Now, if you So what will happen if you run this program? Can you see my screen? Able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So see, both two prints are there, no? And this is there, this print is there. Okay, so if you print this one, you will get 20, no? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write this way also. With so first C L. Okay, so what will be the output? Okay, tell me what will be the output if you run this program.
Ma'am, first scalar is 20 equal to
First
20.
scalar equal to 20, second scalar
Second scalar
equal
equal
to
to
Subash.
Subhash.
Then array will
And
be, because I have given, if I give this one, you run that program, if you write this way, okay, and then so for these two lines are fine. For this two print, Subhash is join. Did she join?
no, ma'am, he didn't join, but I informed him.
Okay, okay. Yeah, some health issue actually. Okay, now for this print and this print, what is the difference? Shall I run the program? Let's see. This is PERL CBio 1.pl. No, whether I install or no, it's there. See, first scalar is 20, second scalar is Subhash. See, this is difference. Okay. This is the difference. Here, let me type here for this print you will get, because there is no double quote here, so for this print this is the command line. Okay, so PAL will not interpret this one. You will get 20, 30, 40, 50 this way. Okay, for this one we will get Okay, this one. And for I want to know what will be the output for this one. This print. If you print this one, I am assigning this array to a scalar. Okay, then what will be this for this one
Ma'am, that is number of elements in the array.
array? So that you will get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I got here 4. See, the last print for the last print, that is 4. Okay. Now you take one DNA sequence. Okay. Like, okay, let me write. So say same program I want to write in the same thing. Like I have taken one DNA sequence. GC, ATGC, ATGC, ATGC. Okay. Now I want to use, so this is, you can do this way. So let me see. Okay. So I don't want this one. So now just you, so I want to use substr function, SUBSTR. This is only you can use for scalar variable. Okay. So I want this one. Okay, to remove, say from this portion to, it's a, no, ATGC, this one. Okay, ATGC. Okay, so how to extract this part? So substr function you can use, but can you do now? And count the length of this DNA sequence. That also. Count the length of this DNA sequence. How many nucleotides are there? Length is a function. LENGTH. Okay. So first thing, you have to count the number of bases, nucleotides. Another one, you have to retrieve this part. Means a subsequence from the whole DNA sequence. This part. Okay, ATGC. Can you write? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Bablu, are you there?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I understand, but I could not understand what is the function of substring. That
So this year I already that we took class, no? You
yes,
didn't
ma'am.
go through the PPT?
No, ma'am, I could not. Okay, I will. I will.
You just see the second PPT.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone can do this one?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let me answer this one. Show that one, Arnav.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Or you will try and then Subhash, what the Subhash is joined? Subhashish.
Yes, ma'am.
So this all these three PPT I sent. No, have you gone through all the PPT?
No, I haven't gone through all others.
Okay. So how is your health now?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Not yet. Okay. Just Control plus you do. That will size of the screen. That will increase the size.
Yes, ma'am.
Or zoom you can do. Okay. So you explain that one.
Ma'am, this one I've just created a scalar DNA, and I've entered the string and then printed the string, and then I've created another scalar L1 and use a length function to
Length is a function. Length is a function that will see that will count all this one. How many nucleotides is there? Okay. Length is called built-in function. Okay. So if you write capital L, that won't work. So Paul is a case sensitive. Okay. So then see he has given print option. So it will print how many nucleotides are there. Okay. Then this function is very important. This function. Okay. So this is again this function called built-in function that you can use only for scalar variable. Okay. Now you explain this part. What is the meaning of 4? What is the meaning of next 4?
yes, so ma'am, for substring, first we'll write substr function, and then the scalar name, and then we'll write the index. Like for example, if we are doing it for this, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So
This index for the first one, first nucleotide is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So I see what is our problem. We said that we have to extract from this whole DNA from this part to this part, means ATGC. Okay. So the position of this A is that index of this A is 4. See how it is 4? First one is 0, then this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So first one is 4. Then how many, this is basically how many characters, how many nucleotides it will extract. So 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you give 5 here, so that will take A. Okay, if you give 6 here, it will go up to this T. Okay, so then if you print this up, what you are getting?
this one, like
Anything mistake?
no, this one I'm getting.
Okay, see this first one is the DNA sequence. Okay, first one is the DNA sequence, that scalar DNA. Okay, then the number of nucleotide, because length is counting number of nucleotide 16, and then this one extracted part. Okay, ATGC. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Arnav, could you please show your code one more time?
Yeah.
Ma'am, I just wanted to ask that can we write a length function in the second line and we can print directly?
Yes, yes.
But it is not printing. I tried, but
Here. You want this one? Means you want to see how many nucleotides are there?
yes, ma'am. How many nucleotides are there? So I just wanted to mention in the second line, ma'am, where he has printed na DNA. sequence. So in the same line, I mentioned the length function.
I didn't understand what you are saying. She has written, she is taking length here.
Ma'am, can I present my screen?
Which one is your one?
Yes, ma'am. I'll just stop presenting.
Okay. This one is your one? Bablu, this one?
Ma'am, let me share my screen.
Okay, this is for this one, my one, I think.
Ma'am, can we record the session?
Who entered before me?
Ma'am, actually, it says Chandini today is host.
Okay. I didn't get record option. Yes, you do. So last class I said no that
Ma'am,
Puja.
is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
But
Ma'am,
it is very font size can you increase the screen size? What? See, this is why you gave double quote.
ma'am, okay. 1 minute.
Length is a function.
Yeah, okay, I got it. Got it. This is 33.
Okay, you got it. Okay.
Yeah, you got it. Oh,
Okay. So what are the function we have learned? Okay, for scalar one. This substrate is very important. Then, did you remember what are the function?
Ma'am, we learned about ABS, absolute, uppercase, lowercase, chomp, chop.
Jump, chop. Can you do one write one program?
Okay, ma'am.
Jump and chop function. So everyone wrote this program, substrate program. Shadia, Dibia, Nishi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shubhash, do you need any help? Means, did you understand? Not Shubhash, Shubhashish. Is there or not? Megha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You wrote this program, previous program?
Yes, ma'am. Substrate I wrote.
Okay, no problem. Shubhashish, did you, are you listening? Are you there?
ma'am, did you share the second PPT in classroom, ma'am?
Second PPT.
Yeah,
First, second, third, all three.
but I did not receive classroom link, ma'am. I'm not in a classroom, ma'am.
But you have accepted the invitation I sent to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Jaitishan, this class I am taking for. Okay, now she left it. He left. No. Oh,
Ma'am,
huh.
ma'am, I
Yeah.
actually wanted to inform that we are like co-teachers in that classroom, not as students, ma'am.
Oh, some mistake I did. Okay, I'll
Yes,
see.
ma'am. Actually, I think you sent the teacher's link instead of students' link.
Okay,
I
okay,
don't.
we'll see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll correct. So done.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Done, Subhash?
Yes, ma'am. That chop and chomp only,
Can
ma'am.
you show the PPT?
Yes,
Means
ma'am.
the program.
Okay. Ma'am, is it visible?
It's coming. Okay. Chop DNA. Okay. Chop DNA.
Ma'am, should I explain, ma'am?
You explain.
Okay. First, declare one scalar variable DNA and assign some value ATGCA, and then performing chop the particular scalar value, and then printing. Actually, what I get is the last character of this particular scalar value will be deleted. So I'm not getting A. So it is ATGC alone. Then chomp, I have initiated another, scalar value that is DNA1, and then I purposefully given some new line characters in which chomp is designated to remove the new line characters from the particular scalar value. It is not going to remove the actual anything other than new line value. So I am giving that and I'm executing that. So just to confirm that I'm not giving any new line value, the particular scalar value will not be get altered by the chomp.
Why did you use fifth line?
Just to initiate a new line. If I am not giving
Each
everything
and
will be
every time.
printed. No, we can give here also.
Here also you can do.
That is according to us. I just give like it's not necessary to give. New line. But for the sake of presentation, I'm giving this.
But is it like we are printing the assigned value, right?
Which one?
This chop and chomp function.
Okay.
So we are printing the value whatever assigned to the DNA1 scalar and DNA.
No,
Yes.
now here the function performs the thing. No, the chop here, the particular perform will be done, and then this value will be
A
taken.
will not be there here. This A will not be there after if you apply the chop function. Last
Yeah.
character will be removed.
Okay, so okay, ma'am, got it, ma'am. Got it.
Can you please explain the chomp function again?
Okay. Chomp is like removing the last new line character alone. I mean, the space or
See,
something.
that will be more good. What you can do.
Ma'am, I will give an example at start.
A
We
you
have
take and take another scalar and do not. After chomp also. After chomp function. This chomp function, this one you take after okay. With chop, without chop, what will be the difference? You can show easily. You can take that a new line character also. This one.
this one.
This print option, that new line character you have taken, no? That also you can take. So
Ma'am, where? Ma'am? Here.
here you have given now new line character E. Okay, you write ATGC, then you give the new line character. Here, E.
Here, ma'am.
No, this first, second, third, fourth line.
Okay. Here, I've given no, ma'am, this new line character.
No, say fourth. This fourth line. This DNA.
Okay, ma'am. Here I've introduced the new line character.
Oh,
so that is with
okay.
This one. Just to show that E is not getting deleted, I'm introducing one new line character here and here. Here it won't. I mean, this won't be getting involved because of the presence of E here. So if it sends some value after this first new line character identified, it will stop here. So E will be getting printed along with this space. For that example, I've given this.
So if you run this program, what you are getting? You run this program.
See, ma'am, here. The first new line character encountered will be deleted. After this, how many new line character we introduce, that won't be altered.
So it is removing white space, right?
Yeah, new line character, white space. If it encounters some character, after that it will stop.
Okay,
Don't
then
go beyond that.
Okay, if it's remove the new line character, then this chomp without should be come.
You explain. I will write one program.
Okay, ma'am. What, Pablo?
Yeah.
Which line?
This chomp without lines can be combined with this chomp function.
Actually, if you want to remove any new line character at the end of the particular scalar,
what does
use
it
this
mean?
chomp.
The new line character here.
This one, space.
Space. So we can. Okay.
It is to consider a particular, I mean, certain values, not other than certain values like space and the.
So new line character, it could be the hyphen also.
I think it's only the space.
Or only the space.
Only this escape character.
Okay, fine.
Okay, understood. Ma'am, can I stop?
Did you understand? Shall we write any other program? Okay, if you understand, then fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now array. What function we have learned? What are the functions? Okay, say you have one array. You have one array, like you have created one array. The elements are some number actually. Okay. 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, each elements you extract and display. How to write the program. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anyone? Megha,
Yes, ma'am.
can you show? Can you present?
I'm doing, ma'am. 1 second.
Okay, not done. Okay. Any Chandan, Nishi? She's not there. Hema, Bablu,
Yes, ma'am.
done?
Yes, ma'am. Do it.
Can you present? You are doing now? Means
Yes,
not
ma'am.
yet, not yet. No.
Ma'am, I am doing that some function as a part
Okay, okay, okay.
because I have some confusion. So,
Shatish, it is your first class? Last two class you are
Yes, ma'am.
absent. Today is your first class, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then show the Shubhas. Can you present that one?
Okay, ma'am.
Arnab? Done? Or he's not here. Arnab, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just doing the last part. One sentence.
Okay.
Ma'am, is it coming?
Array, acha, print array element one array. Okay, good. Yes. See this one. This way you can do. Can you just increase the font size? Means not font, means the screen. That Control plus you do, it will come. Yes.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yes. Do you understand? So all of you understood?
Ma'am?
Uh,
Ma'am, in the case of an element, like if we are writing, in case of chomp and chop, if we are writing a string and then giving the next line character, and we are using the chop function, then it's still just removing the next line function only, right? So in that case, there is no difference between chomp and chop.
now chop will not remove the new line character. Is it giving? No.
Ma'am, I just tried it. I'll just show. Can I just present my screen?
Okay, okay. So this program, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Okay. Okay, Arnab, show that one. Jump. See, jump you have given. Okay. First one is the jump. String one. Chop. Okay, run the program and let me see. So you are telling that where it is. First one you use jump function. So that as it is coming. Show me that one. Go to the program. You can do right side. Can to show that side by side. Okay. This one can you please that next notepad one. Full one. Okay. So first jump will be. It's a beautiful day.
Ma'am,
Show.
ma'am, can I interrupt?
Yes.
Ma'am, here actually the value is overwritten already. So first the string, no ma'am, it is the string one considered for charm is already removing the last new line character.
Line character. So
It is
this is N.
overridden. So
This is
it
N.
is day. Yes, now Y is the last element now. It is not new line character. So he is using another time the same string. It is overwritten. So the last value is Y, not the new line character. So the Y is getting removed.
This is for chop function. Okay, she is telling that still it is day is coming.
Ma'am, the chop function is actually removing whatever the value, whether it is new line or it is a character at the end.
No,
Chomp only removes new line character. Arnab, you getting my point? Your voice is on mute, actually.
Yes, actually, what I was saying is for here we are getting both for chomp and chop. Like last time when I did chomp, it removed the next line character. But in here when I'm doing chop, it's also removing the next line character value. So in
okay,
this
she
case,
is
both are
telling
in the
chomp
same.
and chop are giving the same result. That is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
that you are that Arnab is telling.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it is quite same, but chomp only removes new line character. Chop also removes new line character as well as the character at the end of the scalar. Any character.
You that chomp then you use the chop one, a chomp one.
Yes, ma'am. You can go for chomp only if you are doubtful of the scalar having new line character there.
We can do one thing without this, and we can write chomp.
If we go for this, here nothing will change, ma'am.
Yeah, that's
as it is will come.
Okay, already he gave
There is no new line character. Yes, ma'am. There is no new line character in this scalar. So,
yes, thank you.
But chomp, whatever the last character in the particular scalar, it will remove. Either it is new line character or a particular value.
Yes, and that is the one that I had
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay, you have time? Or you are ready? Means next, who is going to take?
Ma'am. We have class, Amuda ma'am. Amuda ma'am class now.
Okay. So you send me the attendance, huh? And one thing like splice function, you write one program, not now. Write one program. This one, you take one array and use the chop. Use the splice function. Okay. You see what it is doing. What is the role of splice function? Huh?
Ma'am, actually, These are for lab or just for exercising the theory part?
For lab, I'm telling.
Okay, ma'am. So this is a lab timing for us, ma'am. Hereafter.
Lab.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then you can, I think Amuda maybe waiting for you. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.